Hello children, hi. Here Esther, in the previous class you learned about the writing figures, how to write a number for given number. In this class I would like to explain about the place value of a digit and the face value of a digit in the given number. Do you know what is the meaning of a place value, children? Place value means, here look, the place value of a digit depends on its place in the given number, The place value of a digit, depends on its place in the number. Here, for example, okay, here I will show the example, children. Here, look, 3, 4, 8, 9. This is a number. Okay, I want to know the place value of the 4. Here, what is the here? The place value of a digit depends on its place. Yesterday in the previous class you learned the place values, how to write a number. Yes? Here, ones, tens, hundreds, comma, thousands. Now, 4 is in hundreds place. 4 is in hundreds place. So, 4 into 100, its place value is 400. What is the definition? The place value of a digit depends on its place. This 4 is a digit. It depends on its place. The value of the given digit depends on its place. 4 is under the hundreds place. So the place value of 4 is 400. Okay, children, this is a good. If you take 3. Where is the 3? 3 thousands place. So 3 into 1000. 3000. Okay, children. So here for 8. 8 into 10. 18. 9 in ones place. 9 ones are 9. See, these all are the place values of these digits. Okay, children. Now 3 in thousands place, 4 is in hundreds place, 8 is in tens place, 9 is in ones place. So its value is 3000, its value is 400, its value is 80, 8 tens are 80, its value is 9 ones are 9. Okay, children. Now come to the face value. Here, the face value of a digit in any number is the digit itself. That means, here look, for example, here 5, 7, 6, 4. The face value of a digit in any number is the digit itself. The digit itself means here face value of 5. Here, face value means, in simple words, we can say the shape of a digit. Now, here, ones, tens, hundreds, comma, thousand. It is in thousands place. Here, but suppose in another number, here 8, 9, 5, 4. Here in this number, the face of the 5, how is in this number the face of the 5? Same as it is, same like that, and then this number here 5. Here this 5 is in thousands place, here it is in tens place. But in both the places, the face of the digit is as it is. The face of the digit is as it is. Wherever the digit in the number, its face value is always same. Always itself. Itself means it will be same. For example, here, see children, look, another example I will take. 8, 4, 9, 2. 4, 9, 8, 2. Digits are same. Here also same digits, but the places were changed. Digits are same. Here 4 is in hundreds place, here 4 is in thousands place. But face of the 4 is same in both the numbers. Face of the 4 is same in both the numbers. Here look, here it is in tens place, here it is in hundreds place. But the face of the number is same. Here it is in thousands place, it is in tens place. Here shape, we can say shape or face. Okay, let's take the face. Face value of both the digits are same. Face is same, but places are changing. But face of the digit always it will be same. Here 2 in both the numbers, 2 in ones place, and as well as face value of the digit is 2 only. Here now, once again I want to explain the meaning of the place value and face value. The place value of a digit depends on its place. The place value of a digit depends on its place in the given number. Face value of a digit in any number is the digit itself. The digit itself. Now see here, write the place value and face value for encircled digits. Here look, 3000 here. Now before going to write the place value and face value, we have to mention the place values units here. Ones, tens, hundreds, comma, thousands. 1000 here, 5 is in hundreds place. So PV means place value children, FV means face value. Place value of 5, here this is the value, this is the face value. Face means the digit itself, shape of the digit. Whatever it has, whatever the shape of the digit, we should mention here as it is. Okay. Now, come to the place value children. Place value of 5 is here. Place value of 5. Where it is located children? It located under the hundreds place. So, we can say 500 or 5 into 100, 500. In any way we can write. See here, 5 is in hundreds place. We can say 500. Okay children. Now come to the face value of 5. Face value of the 5. Here the digit of here if a face value of a digit in any number is the digit itself. Its face is not changing children. Wherever it may be located. It may be in the thousands place, it may be in hundreds place, it may be in ones place, it may be in lakhs place, whatnot. The face of the digit will never change. Okay, so face value of 5 is 5. Now come to the next one. Ones, tens, hundreds, comma, thousands. Where it is located? Here it is located under the thousands place. So place value of 9,000. Do you know how to write 9,000? It's very easy children. Write the 9. How many digits are there after the 9? 3 digits. Keep 3 zeros. 9,000. Okay. Here place value of 9 is 9,000. Face of the 9. Here face value of the 9 is as it is. Face of the digit in any number is digit itself. So digit itself means 9 will be as it is. Face will never change. Okay children. Now come to the third one. Where is 1? 1, where is that 1? Ones, tens, hundreds, comma, thousands. 1 is under the tens place. Okay children. 1 tens are 10. Here 1 after 1 digit is there. 1 0. 10. Here face value of 1. Face. Always face value of the digit is the digit itself. What is the digit? 1 as it is. 1. Here in this number 0, we have to write the place value and face value of 0. Here ones, tens, hundreds, comma, thousands. Here 0 is located under the ones place, ones unit. Okay children, here 0 ones are 0. Okay, 0 ones are 0. Here face of the digit is always as it is. It will be always as it is itself. So face value of 0 is 0. I hope you all will understood children. Okay, here this it should be written in your classwork and this should be written in your homework. Write place value and face value for encircled digits. Here I have given 4 on the board. Here I gave 4